Hello friends, today I am having a very cool cabinet from Thermaltake which is Core P3. Yeah, this is an TG version which is a tempered glass version, and we'll be opening this and see the unboxing of this giant cabinet. Actually, this is a small brother of Core P5. We have already built the machine in Core P5, the most expensive machine of around 4 lakh rupees. The link in the description box. If you are interested, please go check it out. It's a very cool machine. So for now, we'll open it up. So first, the tempered glass they have given nicely packed with this cardboard, and I'll just show you. This is a tinted glass. So this is a tinted glass, not entirely clear. Now you can see so many components are given. Let's check one by one. So first, these are the two stands which we need. If we are not doing it a wall mount and doing a tabletop, you need this stand to make your chassis stand out. Keeping this aside, these are the studs. 4 studs are given on which the glass will be mounted. I'll keep this here. This is the stand for this, I think is for your reservoir and pump if you're installing it. And lots of screws and cable ties, that stuff. This is the thing on which your SMPS will be mounted. So this is an SMPS bracket, and this is also. So both these are SMPS brackets they have given. So I'll keep it. A manual which is very required for such kind of case where you get lots of components and you just get confused what to use where. So it will be very handy. So keep it. And they have given an extension cable which is included with this, and these are the stands for your graphic card. So if you are trying to mount the graphic card vertically, these are going to be used. I'll keep this. Again, this is a stand for your graphic card. So the spray, it will be mounted in this way so that you can mount your card vertically. So again, I'll keep it aside. And they have given one more, and I'll need to figure it out for what this is. I think this is for SMPS. Yeah, they have given the 2 stands. One is this and one is this. So the thing is that if you're mounting your SMPS vertically or horizontally, accordingly you will need the bracket. So keep this in mind. So I'll keep it out. And this is your back plate for if you're not mounting your card vertically, this will be required for horizontal mount. And they have given these 2 cases. I need to check it out for what they have given this. We'll check it out later. I think this is for the graphic card for vertical mount. So that's the component list. So now I'll just put our huge cabinet on this stand and I'll show you how it looks. So coming back to the cabinet, let's discuss few things about this and then we'll start mounting this stands. So firstly, you can install any motherboard in this, from ITX, mini ITX, ATX, micro ATX, whatever size motherboard you want. It fits any size of motherboard. So they have given cutout here for your 8-pin or 4-pin or 12-pin CPU power. Here they have given cutouts. This they have given, I don't know why they haven't given it here. So these are for your 24 pins. You can also use this one. You can mount 3 SSDs here, or you can even mount your entire radiator. You can install around 360 mm of radiator here. So nice space is given there. There are even hatchings here. So even 240 mm or 280 mm, whatever size you choose, you can install it here. So again, here they have given one more space for your USB cable routing. Now let's open it up. So it's quite easy. This I am just loving this black color, matte black, and it's looking very fantastic. It's better than the gray which Core P5 has. and it would even look better with I think there is a snow edition of this, the white color. So this nice filter they have given, which is magnetic. You can see the huge space. The thing which I loved about this cabinet, whether it's P3 or P5, you get lots of space for cable management. And even if you want to do the liquid cooling, these are awesome. This gives you a freedom to do whatever you want. You can mod lots of things in this cabinet to install your reservoirs, pumps, radiators, whatever you want, you can just put them in. You can install 2 hard drives over here. They have given the cages, and this is the stand on which it gets wall mounted. So this is the base, which is very sturdy. So this keeps it holding the entire cabinet on your wall. Let's see from the front side. So from the front, I think this is from the reverse side. Yeah. So they have given this power button. There are 2 indicators. One is for your power, one is for your hard disk LED indicator. 2 USB 3, 2 USB 2, headphone jack, mic jack, and a reset button. That's it. Very simple, very plain, and that's it. So these are the stands. So I'll just mount it if you want, and I'll show it to you. And we'll be assembling a complete machine in this. So even you can have a glance of that, how this machine looks after getting built up. To do it our best. We have assembled all the components on this cabinet, and you can see it's looking stunning and very cool. So all the components fitted very nicely, very nice cable management, no problem at all. You have bunch of cables, there is ample amount of space for cable management in this cabinet. Airflow, it's not an issue because it's open from everywhere, so airflow will not be a problem at all. Cooling is not an issue with this cabinet. So that was an unboxing and quick review of Thermaltake Core P3 tempered glass cabinet. If you have liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. Until then, goodbye.